Locked out of your Dacia radio? No problem. With the Dacia Radio Code Generator app, you can get your radio code back instantly and be back to enjoying your favorite tunes in no time. Every Dacia radio is protected by a 4-digit code. It's a security feature that kicks in whenever the radio is disconnected from the power supply. But don't worry, getting that code is easier than ever with our app. All you need is your radio's serial number or your car's VIN, and with just a few taps, your code will be retrieved instantly. Our app is designed to be super easy to use. The whole process takes less than a minute. Simply open the app and follow these quick steps. Step 1. First, locate your radio's serial number or vehicle identification number, also known as the VIN. You can find the serial number either on the radio itself or in the car's documentation. To find the serial number, remove the radio from your car's dashboard using 2 simple tools and check for the barcode label. You'll find a code like this and this. If you prefer using the VIN, you can find it on the driver's side window, the door frame, or your car's paperwork. Step 2. Enter your serial number or VIN into the unlock form, tap Generate Code, and make the payment. In a matter of seconds, your 4-digit code appears on your screen. Step 3. Now, use the code to unlock your Dacia radio. Simply follow the instructions shown on your screen to enter the code, and you'll be back to enjoying your music. And it gets better. Our app stores your code for up to a year, so you don't have to worry about losing it again. If you're a garage or mechanic, you can even use the app to help customers, saving codes for multiple vehicles. Whether you're driving a Duster, Sandero, Logan, or Stepway, the Dacia Radio Code Generator works with all models. Download the app now, get your radio code back in seconds, and hit the road with your favorite tunes.